Connor, let me start by saying thank you. Thank you for becoming the woman of my dreams and most importantly, my best friend.
Wesley, ever since I was a little girl, I've been praying to find a man like you. Someone who is caring, thoughtful, supportive, and selfless.
You've always stood by my side since day one. You have seen me at my lowest, and then you have seen me today, on the most amazing day of my life.
May the promises you make to one another today be lived out to the end of your life.
You push me to be a better person and help me take every opportunity that I have been given. You are the reason that I continue to push myself in this life.
I, Wesley, take you, Connor, to be my wedded wife.
I think most people on their wedding are nervous and maybe a little scared. I'm neither of these things, but confident, as I have never been more sure of anything in my life. I, Connor, take you, Wesley, to be my
Wedded husband.
husband.
I promise to love you for all of your works, forgive you quickly, always say that I'm sorry first, but most of all, I promise to choose you. I will always choose you.
I give to you in the presence of these witnesses
If I told you I missed away, you kissed me.
Connor, you are the most loving, caring, goofy, selfless person I have ever met, and I'm beyond excited and privileged to call you my wife and spend the rest of my life with you.
I promise to love you without reservation.
I promise to love you without reservation.
I'll give you all of me. I'll be the best.
I've seen the best and the worst of you, and I choose both. And even though I am unsure of most things in my life, I am certain that I love you, and I will love you forever.
But I promise I'll try every day.
Consider this a preemptive I do, a promise to stick by your side, to always support you in all the great things that you will achieve, to also be true and faithful to you in good times and bad, and to honor and love you for the rest of my life.
And cherish you as long as we both shall live.
We're about to go on an adventure of a lifetime. I love you, Connor Bell. Almost Daniel.
Your husband, Wesley. I got this.
And by the authority vested in me by the Constitution and the laws of this state, it is my honor to now pronounce you man and wife. Wesley, you may kiss the bride.